3D Air utilizes two cameras to simulate the perspectives of the left and right eyes for 3D spatial video production. A stereoscopic film consists of two tracks, one for the left eye and one for the right eye. After shooting, it is crucial to differentiate and properly name the footage from both cameras. The footage from the vertically mounted camera represents the left eye, while the footage from the horizontally mounted camera represents the right eye. Do not mix them up. Before shooting, both cameras and lenses must have identical settings. Set the camera resolution and frame rate to the highest supported values, and enable the recording function, using the high frame rate footage captured during shooting, along with the on-set audio. Synchronization can be achieved in post-production using DaVinci Resolve. Open DaVinci Resolve. Version 18.6 or higher is recommended. Create a new project and import the left and right eye footage, properly categorized and named, into the media pool. In the editing interface, drag the left and right eye footage into separate tracks, stacked on top of each other. Rename the video tracks. Select both the left and right eye footage. Right-click, and choose Auto Line Clips based on the audio waveform. Check if the two tracks are aligned on the timeline. Delete any unsynchronized portions, ensuring that both tracks have the same duration. Continue importing new left and right eye footage and repeat the synchronization process, ensuring consistency across all footage. After all the left and right eye footage has been synchronized, switch to the cut page. Select all the footage in the left eye timeline. Click the tool icon and choose Flip Horizontal to mirror all the left eye footage. Adjust the opacity of the right eye footage to 50% to check whether the movement in both tracks is synchronized during playback. Complete any necessary basic editing, color correction, or effects additions. Remember, all editing actions must be applied simultaneously to both the left and right eye timelines. Export the left and right eye video tracks separately. Choose the output location. Set the resolution to 4K or higher, and maintain the original frame rate settings. Repeat the process to export the other video track. This results in two video files, one for each eye, with basic editing and color correction completed. Return to the media pool and import the two recently exported left and right eye video files. Select both, right-click, and choose New Stereoscopic 3D Clip. Create a 3D project file for the right eye. Select the 3D project file, right-click, and choose Use New Compound Clip to create a new timeline. And check Use Project Settings. In the Format tab, set the timeline resolution to 7680 by 2160, or adjust it as needed for compatibility. Set the timeline frame rate to match the original files. Under the resolution mismatch options, choose Stretch Frame to all corners. In the output options, ensure the resolution and mismatch settings are synchronized as well. Drag the 3D draft into the editing timeline and choose Detect Scene Cuts. DaVinci will automatically split the draft into individual clips. In the color grading interface, key split clips will be visible. Hold Shift and select all the clips. In the 3D Stereo tab, choose Stereoscopic 3D from the output options and select Anaglyph. At this point, the footage will appear stretched horizontally, which is normal. In the adjacent panel, under 3D Stereo Alignment, choose Stereoscopic 3D Alignment. This will automatically align the position and angle of both tracks. Similar to color matching in color grading, if there is any color discrepancy between the left and right eye clips in the 3D composite, use the Stereoscopic 3D color match as needed. Click Deliver, enter the file name, and choose the output location. Select the output format according to your needs. In this case, we choose H.264. Under the resolution settings, keep the custom option and adjust the resolution downwards if necessary. However, ensure the aspect ratio remains consistent. Keep the frame rate as per the original files. In the Stereoscopic 3D rendering options, choose side by side for the left and right eyes. Finally, click Add to Render Queue and complete the render to export a full-frame, side-by-side stereoscopic 3D video file. Note: if you need to export a half-frame stereoscopic 3D side-by-side video, choose a standard 8K or 4K resolution in the Resolution tab, and keep all other settings the same.